Well, welcome to BFreeRV and our working Wednesdays. So, as always, something breaks in an RV, and this week we pulled in the Soledad Canyon, and our HIghPoint Microwave Convection Oven decided to crap out on us. Bert put something in, it nuked it for about a minute or so, and then the whole thing went dead. I checked the power, we have power, it's the unit itself that died. So we did buy what's supposed to be the OEM replacement for it, which is a Furrion, I think it was a FMCM15-SS-A, if I remember the part number correctly. I don't think it's going to be true OEM replacement because this is about 15.5 inches in height and it's about 16 3/8. So I'm thinking the lower mounting bracket's going to have to get moved and maybe replaced. I'm going to hope not, where they said it's the OEM. I'm hoping it just goes right in the same bracket, but you know how that works. So let's go ahead and get this unmounted and see if the new one can go in.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Everything's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do.
Alright, what's first?
Alright, so let's pull these two screws. You might want to grab the bottom of this here in a minute.
Let me know when I need to
Yeah, back one screw out, then the other. My cordless didn't fit, so we're using a hand driver.
old fashioned.
Yeah, if everybody watches my videos, they know I very rarely use my cordless anyway.
That's one thing I like about being in these small things like this, right? Is just everything is smaller, so it's so much more difficult to use bulky gear like that.
It is. I think the screw goes all the way to China. No,
Wow.
there it is.
Oh, okay. Happy really birthday!
I'll have to beat that one out.
Yeah, sorry.
But it's a good 3-inch screw, so lots of turning. Alright, so there's the second screw. So I drafted my grandson to help me on this.
Hello. So what
Alright, just come down. Get the cord out. And supposedly,
I was gonna say, how does this come off? Yeah,
should just lift up and out. Somehow. There it goes.
yeah, it's really not that heavy once you actually get it out.
No. It's only about 70 pounds.
Yeah. It felt way heavier as it was leaning on. Okay, so now hopefully this bracket works with that microwave. Fingers crossed.
Compare the two brackets.
They look the same. They look the exact same. Oh, this is great.
Well, maybe. Maybe it's great.
We're gonna put out great energy. We're gonna hope that it's great.
My only concern is this microwave is about 3/4 inch higher.
So okay, so what? Oh, so the microwave was sitting on this, right?
Correct.
These? Okay.
Yeah. So what do y'all think? Should we measure it, or should we just try to put the new microwave in without taking any measurements, see if it fits and slides back up in? So all you people that complain about Grand Design shoddy work, they actually did something here to reinforce this. So
Is that like a common common
people
issue?
always whine. Campers are built like crap because there is no regulations for them.
Okay. So they're not being inspected before they get sold. Okay, that's good to know.
The company's supposed to have Q&A, but
Right, but it's also probably run by the company, and therefore, profits. Got it. Is it right side up right now?
should be.
Yep. Okay.
gonna say the cord's on top. Right here. Move this cord. All right, wish us luck. See if this fits. All right, so as I kind of thought, that 3/4 inch makes a difference. It's not gonna go.
It's not gonna push all the way.
Hit it. All right, let's haul her back out. All right.
Go team!
Here's a workout for absolutely nothing. So it looks like we do have to move this bracket, which bites.
Yeah.
Oh, where this will come off. This is a fixed Grand Design put in as a heat shield behind the microwave. And there's 3 lags. These lags are a lot shorter than the ones that they come with. The ones they came with were like 3 inches long, designed to go in a 2x4. There's a 4th. And a 5th. Alright, so there are 5 bolts holding that in. Dusty. Template in. So line up to the bottom, hopefully. Problem is now.
I say now you've got that, yeah.
The new template up. Look at these pencil lines. Like perfect.
Yeah, so you may want to drop it down a little bit. Yeah, this one too.
Yeah. So we shouldn't really have to drop it. Those match up perfectly. That should have. Oh, it wasn't. It's on. Even most of
Those holes all match up.
they do.
They're aligned like perfectly.
All right, so we came to the conclusion that maybe the heat shield is pushing it out because the back of the 2 units are different. The back of this unit comes out, oh, probably.
Oh, at least an inch.
No, it's not an inch.
You look?
A good 1/2 inch. And the old unit is flat back here, or almost flat. So I think between the combination of this and the heat shield together, it's just pushing it too far out. And I don't believe you can remove this piece.
No.
So we're gonna put the bracket back on the wall and try it one more time. Zach needed a workout.
I did, it's true.
Be too far up.
Ooh, did it just go in?
I think it just went in.
Okay. Alright. You got it?
I got it. But again, I don't think we're level.
Well, the cord is also
Oh, the cord's in the
blocking it right now.
That's true. That's why I brought him along, so you tell me my cord's in the way.
Yep, alright, you're gonna have to bend down a lot more because I can't get in there.
Alright, need a stool.
Oh, you need this. That's right.
It already does look better. Alright. Get it?
Yep.
He wants me to go up.
Honestly, does it seem any different?
Feels like it's in.
That's what she said. Sorry, I had to.
All the extra editing I have to do. It's all Zach's fault for having that heat shield.
I don't think so. I think it's Zach's. Zach should be thanked for realizing that. So, is it in? It went in?
I got that one in.
Nice. Yeah, buddy. Whew.
Alright, so we gave Zach his workout for the day.
Yes.
And this is the OEM replacement. You shouldn't have to remove that bracket like we did. This one in, but if you have the heat shield behind, take the heat shield out. Lesson learned. So I'm assuming the heat shield is designed to go in behind the HIghPoint because it didn't have enough of a heat shield built into it. Or I think this new Furrion, probably looking at what the back is like, has that heat shield built into it.
Didn't hurt ourselves putting it in, but hurt ourselves once it's done.
That's right. Now they're all done. We're banging ourselves in the head with the door. But Bert might be happy, so now we're just going to clean it out, plug it in, and see if it works. But it is the same exact setup as the other one. It's got the inner rack that'll go in here, same as the HIghPoint did, and it's got this rack here to put on the turntable if you want to put something on it. But with that, I think we're good. Hopefully. Yes, because thank my grandson for his help.
What am I here for?
That's what he's here for. He showed up to hang out with us for 10 days from Baltimore, and he's probably going to regret it. I've got other projects to do.
Oh, joy. Looking forward to it.
If he asked his dad, he'd know. Don't go to Grandpa's house. It's all projects. Anyways, with that, I hope this video helps. And as always, we hope to see you on the road.